What's going on, guys? So today we're doing a mic test of the Media Mod with and without the Media Mod on the GoPro Hero 10. So right now we are using the Media Mod, so this would be test one. Media Mod on, the wind thingy is on it, and it's a little windy outside. There's a little noise, so let's see how it sounds on the back. Okay, so this is the back. Also had to change the camera, lens a little bit, but this is the back sound, and I'm gonna do it also with the camera facing me, and then we'll see how it sounds with the back option picked on the Media Mod. Okay, so this is the camera mics option, and again, it's a little windy outside. There's a little bit of noise, but not too much. And I'm gonna have it facing me, and then we're gonna turn it away and see how it sounds with the camera mics option. Alright, so testing 1, 2, 3. This is just the GoPro by itself. And usually it sounds pretty good, but with the Media Mod, I feel like it boosts up the sound a little bit more. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, and as you can see, this is the back option. Well, not really an option, but this is what it sounds like when you speak from the back. So alright, so the difference now is we have the wind to off, and we're gonna testing 1, 2. There's a little wind. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now it's on, so we're gonna see how that sounds. Testing 1, 2, 3. And once again, this one is the auto. I already did this one in the very first video, but this is what it sounds once again. Testing 1, 2, 3. This time we have the GoPro, just the GoPro, and we have it on auto with the wind. So let's see how that compares to the rest of it. The wind reduction is on, and it's just the GoPro. So let's see how this one compares up to the rest of it. Alright, and this is the very last option. It is the wind reduction is off, and we're gonna see how this one compares to the rest of them in post. After watching them back, I think the Media Mod in any setting, like wind on, off, or auto, I think it sounds good regardless. Media Mod on, the wind thingy is on it, or better than the GoPro. But with the GoPro and no Media Mod, I think we're gonna have to go with wind reduction on. The wind reduction is on, and it's just the GoPro. So let's see how this one compares up to the rest of it. In my opinion, I think that sounds the best. So y'all just let me know what y'all think, and whatever works for you works for you. And you're welcome. And I hope this helps you figure out which option you're gonna go with. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and peace.